Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Davida Paswat bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The reception of the capitulars who will participate in the 14th General Chapter of the FMA Institute began today, the 11th of September 2021, at the Generalate of Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, FMA, in Rome. After the days of prayer, listening to the Holy Spirit, the chapter assembly will officially take place from Friday, 17th September to 24th October 2021, developing the theme, Do Whatever He Tells You, taken from the Gospel of John, chapter 2, verse 5. Generative communities of life in the heart of contemporaneity, the General Chapter is a strong time of reflection and orientation for the community's search for the will of God. All the FMA, the educating communities, the laity, and young people of the Salesian family collaborate in the chapter experience with the participation of prayer, study, and proposal. The purpose of the General Chapter is to deal with the topics relevant to the mission of the Institute for an ever more effective presence in the Church and in the world. The Salesian family of Slovakia has been working for 30 years in the field of pastoral care for the Roma population. On the occasion of the meeting next Tuesday, September 14th, between Pope Francis and the Roma in the district of Leonic 9 in Košice, the Salesians have prepared a 13-minute documentary that presents their work in this mission. The video, entitled Don Bosco and the Roma in Slovakia, is part of the series Viera do Vierka, meaning Faith in Your Pocket, of Salesian production, and is accessible on the Salesian's YouTube channel in the original Slovak and with subtitles in English and Italian. The Rector Major, Father Angel Fernandez RTB, announced on afternoon of Wednesday, September 8, the appointment of Salesian Father Luis Manuel Moral Lamela as Procurator of the Salesian Missionary Procuratum Missiones Salesianas and Jovines y Desario of Madrid for the 3-year period 2021 to 2024. The appointment, as the Rector Major himself explains, is due to the sudden death on 1st September of Father Eusebio Munoz, who held this position. Father Luis Manuel Moral is currently Director of the Salesian Work Ciudad de los Muchachos in Madrid. Among other responsibilities, he was Provincial Bursar from 1989 to 1998 and Superior of the Salesian Province St. John Bosco based in Madrid from 2002 to 2008. From June 1st to 28 August 2021, the missionary provinces of the northern region of Brazil, based in Manaus, the San Domenico Savio of the Salesians of Don Bosco SDB, and Our Lady of the Amazon of the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians FMA, promoted in the context of the pandemic, the first edition of the Salesian Festival of Christian Music. The proposal of the festival was to realize it in the hybrid form due to the difficulties of the geographical distance of the North region and the anti-contagion protection measures from COVID-19. Therefore, only the conclusion was made in the face-to-face form at the auditorium of the Colegio Don Bosco in Manaus. The Salesian Festival of Christian Music has had the objective of providing the hidden talents of the Christian youth audience with a stimulus for the action aimed at the enhancement and dissemination of music in all Christian perspectives. With this festival, therefore, the Salesian Festival of Christian Music have tried to give a space of unity to the various young people of different Christian confessions present in Brazil and to foster respect for differences and knowledge and appreciation for confessions other than their own. During the period of strict isolation due to the pandemic, the Salesian parish Don Bosco Tam High accompanies and supports parishioners as well as people of different religions, providing them with food and water, especially to those stuck in the dormitories of workers. This work of charity is organized in a methodical way, with the management and direct participation of the parish priest, Father Peter Pham Kuok Hong, Father John Bosco Vu Tien Dang, and other collaborators, especially young people. The Don Bosco Development Society DBDS, the Planning and Development Office of the Salesian Province of Mumbai INB, has helped another 480 families in the slums of Mumbai affected by COVID-19, thanks to the support of the Macquarie Group Foundation, for they have distributed food kits, hygiene products and medicines. Father Rolvin De Mello, Executive Director of DBDS, said that the action is part of the larger project, which is currently benefiting over 11,000 people from the various slums of the city. The Salesian Youth Movement organized on 21st and 22nd August at the Salesian Center San Domenico Savio in Cartago the first retreat for animators. The event focused on the memories of Don Bosco, selecting some specific passages that are of fundamental relevance for every Salesian animator. The activity was organized and supported by a working group of the Don Bosco Center of San Isidro Perez Zeledon under the guidance of Father John Paul, SDB. On 27 August 2021, in the Bicentennial Salesian College of Cucuta, the BOSCO World 2021 experience took place. A training space where the teaching, management and administrative staff of the institute deepened some theme of pedagogy and the Salesian charism. All the participants appreciated the activities, games, dynamics and formative moments which were organized by the youth ministry team coordinated by Father Wilfer Cardozo, SDB, together with a team of academic coordination and coexistence. The Kerala State Women's Commission 2020 Media Award for the Best Feature on Women is won by Srikala MS, an alumnus of the Department of Journalism, Don Bosco College, Angadi Kavadu. Srikala completed her Masters of Communication and Journalism course in 2016. She is currently working as a sub-editor in Mathrubhumi newspapers, Thrissur, Kerala. A feature on Suhara, who is a fishmonger, won Srikala the award. Suhara, at the age of 62 years from Thrissur, sells fish on her cycle. The cycle is her mode of transport and she pedals 20 kilometers every day to reach her customers with a variety of fresh fish. She sells on average 30 to 35 kilograms of fish. After 10 in the morning, Suhara is available for other chores like carrying cement at a building site, bill payments of neighbors, irrigation works and the likes. She ekes a living also by transporting dead bodies found in queer circumstances. Suhara, educated up to the 7th standard, lives alone as both her parents are no more. As observed by the jury, Srikala won the award for highlighting the peculiar way an ordinary woman lights up her own life and others in the society. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for watching. Have a great weekend.